Ilang linggo na lamang at magbubukas na ang NCAA Season 100. Ramdam na nga ang excitement ng defending champion San Beda University at host school na Lyceum of the Philippines University. Ang kanilang pep rally at paghahanda sa Centennial Season sa pagtutok ni Katrina Son.
Nagsimula na ang pep rally ng NCAA member schools para sa nalalapit na ika-100 season ang San Beda University. Igniting the spirit of champions ang kanilang tema. Nakasado na ang plano para depensahan ang kampyonato.
During the last NCAA season 99, we were the best performing school or overall champion. So definitely all the other teams prepared against San Beda. But we will be steadfast so that we will remain as champions and retain the overall championship.
Bukod sa performances, highlight ng programa ang pagpapakilala sa kanilang mga atleta. Kabilang ang tinaguriang Kings and Queens of NCAA Season 99 na San Beda Red Sea Lions at reigning basketball champions ng Season 99.
Defending the title is way harder than getting another championship just like last year. So I think it will be pretty tough this coming season.
Ang host school naman ng NCAA Season 100 na Lyceum of the Philippines University. Nagdaos na rin ng kanilang pep rally. Malaki raw ang ginagawang paghahanda di lang ng kanilang mga atleta, kundi maging ng kanilang universidad bilang host ngayong taon.
We are all out because not only this season is special, but it is a centennial season of NCAA, and at the same time, we're hosting it, so talagang all out kami talaga.
May performances and production numbers na inihanda ang mga student athlete gaya ng kanilang basketball team na LPU Pirates, volleyball team na LPU Lady Pirates, LPU Pirates Pep Squad. Ang kanilang basketball team handang-handa na raw para sa nalalapit na NCAA Season 100.
More on defense talaga kami, mga pressure namin. And syempre, yung mga transition din namin.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Katrina Son, nakatutok 24 oras.